For 500 years, this temple was lost to the world, swallowed by jungle and time. A silent guardian watches through tangled vines, its stone eye untouched for centuries. Collapsed pillars rest in still water, the courtyard long abandoned. Inside the sanctuary, dust drifts through beams of light falling from the open sky. Moss covers the carvings, yet the stories of the past remain etched in stone. A staircase disappears into shadow, leading deeper into the forgotten temple. The sanctuary lies broken and open to the sky after centuries of decay. Modern technology begins to reveal what time has hidden. Digital reconstruction slowly rebuilds the temple piece by piece. Lost pillars rise again in glowing outlines of the temple's original form. Beneath the surface, fractures reveal the scars of centuries. And now the decision is made. The temple will rise again. Engineers mark every crack across the ancient stone. The jungle slowly releases its grip, vine by vine. Broken stones are lifted, allowing the staircase to breathe again. Beneath centuries of dust, the face of a guardian statue emerges. The first pillar rises once more, reconnecting the temple to its past. Massive roots are pulled away from the walls, freeing the ancient structure. Careful chisels scrape away moss, revealing long-hidden carvings. Water washes across the stone, clearing centuries of decay. Each pillar is aligned with precision, restoring the temple's perfect symmetry. Deep fractures are repaired, strengthening the ancient foundation. Steel scaffolding rises as craftsmen climb toward the upper tiers. New stone steps replace those lost to time. A sculptor carefully restores the face of a guardian statue. The courtyard floor reappears beneath layers of dust and mud. Hidden lighting blends modern technology with ancient architecture. Tropical gardens return to the temple terraces. Polished basalt surfaces shine again beneath the sunlight. Water begins to flow through the temple's ancient channels. From above, the temple's sacred geometry is revealed once more. The final scaffold is removed, the restoration complete. For the first time in centuries, the temple stands whole again. Bathed in golden sunlight, the structure glows as it once did long ago. Guardian statues stand watch once more at the sacred entrance. Passing through the ancient gate, the temple welcomes the world again. A beam of sunlight strikes the altar at the heart of the sanctuary. Water and gardens cascade gently through the temple tiers. Lanterns begin to glow along the terraces as evening approaches. The temple reflects perfectly in the still courtyard pool. From high above the jungle valley, the restored temple stands proud. The drone circles the summit as sunset paints the sky. Every carving tells the story of the ancient builders. Birds return to the stone terraces, life returning to the sanctuary. Slowly, the camera revealing the temple surrounded by endless jungle. The sun fades beyond the horizon as stars appear above the temple. And in the quiet jungle night, a single lantern glows, reminding us the temple lives again.